In a tranquil pond, nestled among the lush greenery, dwelt a small community of creatures. Among them lived a peculiar one, a crane fly, who was known for his insatiable desire for adventure. Crane fly, unlike the other insects, had wings that enabled him to fly. But unlike the birds, he could only hover for a short while before needing to rest. This was a source of envy among his fellow creatures, who could fly for miles without pause. One day, a challenge was proposed. A race around the pond, a test to prove who was the superior flyer. All were eager to participate, except Crane Fly. He felt his wings were not good enough. On the day of the race, the crowd gathered, their eyes filled with anticipation. The race began, and the competitors took off. Crane Fly watched from the sidelines, his heart heavy with disappointment. As the race progressed, the birds soared high, their wings flapping powerfully. But as they neared the finish line, one by one, they began to tire. They landed, gasping for breath, their energy spent. Meanwhile, Crane Fly had been watching, observing the race from his perch. He noticed something. The birds, in their eagerness to win, had forgotten to enjoy the beauty of their flight. They had flown past the blooming flowers, the glistening water, and the vibrant colors of the pond. Inspired, Crane Fly decided to join the race. He took off, his wings fluttering gently. He hovered over the flowers, admiring their beauty. He dipped his wings in the water, feeling the coolness against his body. He flew low, watching the fish dart around, their scales shimmering in the sunlight. By the time he reached the finish line, the other competitors had already given up. Crane Fly, however, had not just won a race. He had won something much more valuable, the joy of experiencing the world around him. From that day forward, Crane Fly was no longer just a peculiar creature. He was a symbol of wisdom, teaching everyone the importance of enjoying the journey rather than just focusing on the destination. And so, the pond learned a valuable lesson, that sometimes, it's the slow and steady, not the fast and furious, who truly win the race.